Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am actually introducing a new project pan. Now since my makeup project pan went to shit because the office was closed, I actually picked up all of my products. So next month's Shop My Stash is going to be including all of my project pan products. But anyway, the new project pan that I'm introducing is actually a skincare project pan. So I have all of my products here. So yeah, if this is something that interests you, then just keep on watching. So in no particular order, I am just going to show you all of the products that I'm going to try to pan. Basically, first thing that I'm introducing is the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. So this is what it looks like, and I've actually marked it. This is how much we have. I'm going to put a picture. He's messing around, so if you hear him, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put a picture up here of you know, kind of a close-up of the product so you actually see how much product we have. From what I can see, we are about halfway. This is really lovely. I use this about once or twice a week max. After I wash my face at night, I usually just put it on and sleep in it, and it helps to kind of get rid of any spots that I have on my face. I find it very effective. Next up, I have another Good Molecules product. Good Molecules is my favorite skincare brand. Their products are top notch and they're so affordable, it's not even funny. They are really good. So I just want to use their products. That's why they're in this project pan. Anyway, this is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this is what it looks like, and this is how much we have. I've used it a couple of times, and this is one of my favorite hyaluronic acid serums. I had used the ordinary one, did not like it. It was shite, really not for my skin whatsoever. It would peel up no matter if I had moisturized or if I had, you know, put water on my face before applying it, or if I had locked it in, it would just peel up immediately. Not good. This one, however, doesn't do that, and I can put it on dry face and then, you know, kind of lock it in with a cream, and it doesn't peel up, and it's really good. So I really enjoy it, and this is how much we have. Next up, I have the Balance Me PHA Clarifying Mist, and this is how much we have. This is a solid kind of container, so I can't really see, but when I shake it, I can see that I have maybe 1 or 2 uses. Honestly, I don't have that much left, so this is really a give me product, but you know, I want to use it up. This is really good for spots as well. Most of these skincare products here I use at night as my nighttime skincare routine. So what I would do is I would cleanse my face and then just spray this on my face, and then the next morning I can see that my face is visibly clear. It's really a miracle worker, honestly. By the way, if I haven't mentioned, and I don't think I had, this is going to be a rolling style project pan, and I don't have a time limit on when this is going to be finished. I just want to keep rolling products in and rolling them out one for one. Next up is, it's a nail care product. This is the Nailberry Cuticle oil. So this is how much we have. I had used it a couple of times. I really enjoy it. It's not super greasy, thank God, because I really do not enjoy greasy cuticle oils, because, you know, I'm that kind of person that, you know, I would do my nails, put the cuticle oil, and I want it to sink in almost immediately so that I can go in and do, I don't know, dishes and, you know, do other things. And I don't like when, you know, my nails are kind of greasy. So yeah, and plus the reason that this is in a project pan is because I have another one, so I need to rotate through them. So yeah, that's that. Next up is another Good Molecules product, and this is the Clarify and Cleanse bar. This is a soap-free cleansing bar. So I use this to remove my makeup at night and to cleanse my face in the morning. So basically it is like a soap bar that, you know, but it's for the face. So this is what it looks like. There was an embossing, I think, here on this side, you know, like a Good Molecules logo, but I had already rubbed that off. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to I think I'm just gonna have pictures to see how, you know, how big or how small it gets throughout the months. But yeah, I do enjoy it. It's a, you know, non-conventional kind of way of, you know, for a face cleanser, but I don't mind it. I do prefer a, you know, a gel kind of cleanser, but this is not bad, and you know, it cleanses my makeup off perfectly, so you know, there's nothing to complain. I enjoy that product. It's just different. Next up, I have the Avant Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant, and this is what the product looks like, if it's going to focus, maybe. Anyway, this is how much product we have left. So we are about halfway through this tube. It's a very fine kind of exfoliant, which I can appreciate. It doesn't have, you know, massive beads. This is actually a rice, as far as I can remember. This is a rice face exfoliant, so it's, you know, it's all natural, thank goodness. Yeah, this one is nice, and it smells kind of like roses because it has a rose extract in it. Next up, I have the Monuskin Line Smoothing Night Renewal Complex, and this is an overnight mask. So this is what it looks like, and this is how much we have left. Now, I'm not necessarily a fan of that, and I think this breaks me out, but I can't put my finger on it. I can't seem to be able to figure out if it actually does break me out or it doesn't. So because there is so little left, I may have like 3, 4, max 5 uses. I just want to use it up and be rid of it, and you know, roll in a new mask in its place. Yeah, not my favorite. I don't really see it working very well, but you know, it's there, kind of moisturizes my skin, I guess. The next thing is the Dr. Paw Paw Multipurpose Balm. This is my favorite lip balm ever. This is how much we have. We are halfway through the tube. This is going to take ages to use up. I know, because I have been working on the big size for about a year now, I think. I remember having it in my empties ages ago, and you know, it's so efficient that you don't really need a lot on your lips for it to work, and I only use it for my lips because I just love the way that it makes my lips feel. It hydrates them, and you know, it's just perfect. So we're gonna be working on that. Next up, I have my Caudalie Premier Crew, the eye cream. So this is an eye cream from Caudalie, and this is how much we have left. Now, you might think that this isn't much, but in all fairness, actually you only need so little of it underneath your eyes because it's really good and hydrating, that I think this is gonna take ages to finish up, but we're just gonna go with the flow and see how long it takes. But yeah, this is the eye cream that I want to use up. Next up, I have the Prai Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. So basically, this is a moisturizer. This is what it looks like, and let me open it up. This is full. This is basically full. You'll see a picture up here of a close-up. I have used it twice already. It's a very thick and very rich moisturizer, which I can appreciate, especially for the nighttime. But yeah, I really enjoy it. Do I see the lifting and firming effects of it? No, because I've only used it twice, but it is, like I said, a nice rich moisturizing cream. And the last thing that I'm going to put in my project pan is the Silcare Quin So Sweet and Natural Lip Scrub. So this is what it looks like, and it has this blueberry scent, and oh my god, it is so fruity, so beautiful. So good. So this is how much we have left. I had used this lip scrub about 3 or 4 times already. I really enjoy what it does to my lips. It exfoliates them very, very well, and it leaves them plumper, it leaves them a little bit bigger, and it leaves them hydrated. So what else can you ask for? Okay, so let me just count up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We're working on 11 products, and I would love to try and keep it at, you know, 11 always, because this is, you know, this is kind of my nighttime routine, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so like I said, this is going to be a rolling project, skincare project pan, and the updates are going to be, that's a hole in the wall there. The updates are going to be every month, and that's it, I think. Yeah, rolling project pan and updates every month, and unlimited time basically. So I'm just going to keep rolling in and rolling out products as I use them up. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.